Almost no one is building these 9 critical skills that you need in order to survive and grow with AI. I'm calling them the 9 C's of AI that you cannot afford to ignore. Hi guys, welcome to Kashi Digital Headquarter, Kashi DHQ. I'm your friend Kashi Ahmad, and today is one of the most important videos that I have made so far. This is something I came up when I've been thinking how and what do we need in order to succeed in this age where the race is happening with the AI. I'm calling them a 9 C's of AI. They are curiosity, courage, change, critical thinking, communication, creativity, collaboration, curation, and consistency. So, very high level, what these 9 C's are and how they flow together. Number 1, curiosity. It means start with the why, the mindset, what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and all those. Number 2, courage. Be strong to play with it, experiment, fail. Number 3, change is constant, so embrace it. Number 4, critical thinking. Don't just trust it blindly. Number 5, communication, context and clarity. That means learn to speak AI language. Number 6, creativity. Bring the human element. Number 7, collaboration. Partner with AI. Don't compete. Number 8, curation. Decide what to keep and what to throw away. Number 9, consistency. Build a habit, a small step, one step at a time. All these 9 steps, these flows like a journey. Starting with mindset, attitude, reality, skills, discipline, and output. So, if you use this mindset, I guarantee you will be successful, or you have better chance of being successful in the age of AI. Before we dive in to detail for each one of these, still majority of my viewers have not subscribed to the channel. So if you don't mind, please take 5 seconds to subscribe to the channel, bookmark this video, share it with your network. I'll appreciate that. So now let's go one by one what each C's mean and how can you prepare that skill set for yourself. So number 1 is curiosity. Curiosity is the new currency in the age of AI. AI tends to reward people, right, who are curious, who experiment. Curious people try different things. They experiment, try to look for better ways. They try to have a mindset of continuous improvement, right? How I can make it better. And you can use AI to help things make better for you also. So number 1 skill, bring your curiosity to the horizon. Curiosity is no use if you don't act anything. So that's why second C, the courage comes into play. Have a courage to be vulnerable. Try new things. Take an action. Experiment. Even you fail. People who succeed are the one who have tried, who are not waiting for perfection, who are not trying to lay out every single thing before they do any action. So have a courage. That's the skill set you need to have. Don't be ashamed or afraid that I'm gonna make mistake. It's not a good prompt or I don't know how to write it. Just do it. The second skill is you need to bring courage in you to experiment and play with the tools, play with the AI. Now you got the curiosity, you got the courage. But one thing you need to get comfortable with, another skill set, that is be comfortable with change. The number 3 skills is change. Change is the only thing that's constant in life. Things are changing at the rapid pace we have not seen in our lifetime. Every single week is a new model, new innovation coming up. You need to be adaptable to change, embrace the change, right? Play with it, be flexible around it. If you wait to have things slow down before you start, you will be left behind. I'm telling you, you need to have a mindset of learning, relearning, right? Retraining yourself. Be adaptable to the change, right? Embrace the change. That's the third skill that you have. Number 4, we talked about critical thinking. This is one of the most important skill that you need to develop, and it comes with practice. AI could sound confident, really good output, but it could still be wrong. It could hallucinate. So you need to make sure you don't blindly trust or see everything that AI is giving you and copy paste that. That is the biggest mistake that you could do. AI become much more powerful when you use it with the human judgment, right? Number 5 is the communication. We all need to improve our communication skills, how we talk to the AI, how we prompt it, how structure our prompt is. I have done videos of different prompt types. You can check here. Those are your cognitive thinking model. One of the skills that everyone needs to develop is the thinking in the structured way, so you can prompt the AI in a structured way, have a better communication, provide the right context. The better you communicate with the AI, the better the answer you will get. And the people who use AI creativity, they just don't ask the question. They go back and forth. They brainstorm, refine with the AI, expand their understanding and their learning and their communication. You can also use AI to prompt it, saying whatever, let's say you give any prompt, you can ask the AI to review and rate your ask and say, is there a better way I should be asking it that works for the AI? This is the system prompt tip I'm giving you guys. That will help you improve your communication. Have the feedback loop. You call it a feedback loop when you're communicating. Number 7 is collaboration. Collaboration, what I mean is when you're communicating with AI and you're collaborating, use it as your AI assistant, as your sidekick. Collaboration is very important, not only with the LLMs, but also the other people in the community who are using this tool and sharing their insights. People learn faster when people share and learn from each other. There are Twitter, X communities, thread. There are a lot of folks you can follow. Share your prompt, share your output, something new that you learn, how your use case, how you actually are using your AI to your day-to-day productivity. Use those kind of insight that you have. Build your professional brand. Share that. You may not know who can get benefit out of it. Simplify things. This is one of the reasons I am doing all these videos, to learn myself and also share what I am learning. This whole 9 C's idea came to my mind when I was going through what skills are needed. Sharing with you guys that it can help you. To share, collaborate with others, do some joint projects, share your prompts and output. That's the skill that I would like every one of you to develop. Number 8, curation. Curation is when AI provide you the output, what to keep, what to not keep, what to refine, what to double down. Have that kind of eye and use that output from that perspective to improve your results. This is the skill which is quality over quantity, because more output, more text doesn't mean the better output. And in the AI era, it is not about how much content you can create or creating, because advantage is not by creating more, but it's more about what to keep, what worth keeping. Even curation in a means, I would say some of the projects you're working, what are the lesson learned you're doing, right? What prompt has become useful, what you found useful. When different LLM provide you different output for the same prompt, at least you try to learn what is working with one, what is working with another one. Do those kind of analysis, build your own portfolio from that perspective. Number 9, this is my favorite, consistency. I am personally very big on this one. Be consistent. Even you spend 5 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, do it on a regular interval, right? A lot of people get excited, right? And they got pumped up by watching a video, watching any influencer, and they go and play with the AI and then they forget for a weeks. That's the biggest mistake they are doing. Have a consistency in your learning. Set aside 15 minutes, half an hour, whether at night, whether you're watching YouTube videos, Reel, Instagram, TikTok. Do it on the consistent basis. Make a morning routine. Now you can go into the Gemini and say, give me a morning brief summary for everything happening in the AI, right? Read that, make that a habit, routine, a ritual. If you're building some product or playing with Cloud Code or Codex or any coding tool, Replit, Lovable, spend 15 minutes every day building something that you're trying to do. I bet over the period of 1 month, you would have learned so much compared to someone who have been just thinking to get started. So be consistent in learning. So these are the 9 C's of AI that I am calling it 9 C's of AI. I think these are the important skills that everybody needs to have. So let's just recap what we just talked about. What are for each 9 C's and what the flow is. Number 1 is what everybody should be able to tell me right now. Number 1 is curiosity. Start with the why, the mindset. Number 2 is courage. Be willingly to experiment and fail. Number 3 is change. Embrace the change. Don't be afraid of that. Number 4 is critical thinking. Don't blindly trust what AI is giving you. Have a human element in there. Number 5 is the communication, which is context and clarity. You should be able to provide right context and clearly ask what you're trying AI to do. Number 6, creativity. Bring the human element. What is a better way of doing it? Is there any other way to do it or not? Number 7, collaboration. Don't just as just a tool. Make it your assistant, partner. Number 8, curation. Know what to keep, what to ignore. And number 9 is consistency. I hope all these 9 C's of AI, hopefully everybody likes it. Please give me a feedback in the comment. I know a lot of people can come up with a lot of different C's, but when I think about what everybody needs from the skill set perspective, for me, these 9 elements are very important in the age of AI. If you have any other ideas, any other input, please share in the comment. Share this video with others who can find it useful. I hope and I wish you good luck in your AI journey, and keep watching the videos. Give me topic, what else you want to learn, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.